Hi, Firsties. Today we're going to finish reading our book about tigers. Remember last week I began this book with you and we started to learn about them? Let's go learn some more about these beautiful animals together now. Ready? Tiger talents. Tigers are full grown when they leave their families. They are big, heavy cats, but they can climb trees and jump great distances. And here is a Bengal tiger right here. Aren't they beautiful? In fact, tigers can leap as far as 30 feet. Can you imagine jumping that far? 30 feet? That's as long as 5 adult men lying head to toe. And unlike house cats, tigers are good swimmers. They like to cool off in rivers and pools. And this one is called a Sumatran tiger. Sumatran tiger. That one's different than the Bengal tiger. It's different. They probably live in different places, right? The white tiger. Isn't it beautiful? The white Bengal tiger is very rare. It can't grow orange fur. Its white coat, brown stripe, and icy blue eyes are quite a sight. You won't find a white Bengal tiger in the wild, but you might be able to see one in a zoo. And this is a white Bengal tiger right here. Isn't it gorgeous? Tigers in trouble. Tigers are endangered. That means there's not very many of them left. They can become extinct, like dinosaurs and some other animals have. About 100 years ago, there were 100,000 tigers in the wild. Today, though, there are less than 3,500 left. There are 5 different kinds of tigers today. They are the Bengal, the South China, the Indonesian, the Sumatran, and the Siberian tiger. 3 other kinds of tigers have already become extinct. So there used to be 8 kinds of tigers. Now there are only 5 kinds left. It says tiger term, endangered. That means at risk of dying out. Extinct, a group of animals no longer living. And if you look in the orange area, this is where tigers used to live. They used to live there, but that area is no longer available to them. Now they only can live in this red area because people have taken up most of that space. That's why it's hard for them to survive. So why are tigers disappearing? Tigers are losing their habitat. People cut down trees. Tigers live and find food in the forest. When forests disappear, so do tigers. People also kill tigers for their body parts. Their skins are used for rugs, and other parts are used to make traditional Chinese medicines. Killing tigers is against the law, but unfortunately, it still happens today. People break the law and still kill them. And it says habitat. That's a place where a plant or animal naturally live. So they're losing the places to live. Now this tiger is the South China tiger right there. Here's a little joke. What do you get when you cross a tiger with a snowman? Frostbite. That's a funny one. Helping tigers. And look at this Bengal tiger and its little cub. Isn't it cute? Though tigers are in trouble, there is some good news. New forest areas for tigers have been found. Also, people like you are starting to plant trees where forests have been cut down. You can help too. Tell your family and friends about what you've learned. We can all work together to keep tigers on our planet. So we need to tell people to help protect tigers. We need to share the word so we can make sure there's tigers left in this world. Here's some questions to stump your parents. Can your parents answer these questions about tigers? You might know more than they do. How do tigers spend their time? Do they howl? Do they hunt and mark their territory, share their territory, or eating plants? hunting, right? And marking their territory. 2, what is special about a tiger's paw? Is it A, they are small but powerful? B, they don't sink in deep snow? C, they have 3 toes? Or D, they make noise when walking? B, right? They don't sink in the snow. Did you remember those facts? How about this one? Number 3. How do tigers live? A, alone, except when the mother is raising her young. B, in groups of 3 to 4. C, in groups of 5 to 8. Or D, with all of their friends. A, right? They're alone. They are alone animals. They only live with other animals when they are raising their young. Only a mother will stay with her cub, only if it's her young. Okay, let's get out our read and respond notebook. Mine is pink. Yours might be another color. Here's mine. Go to your next open page. You should have a sticky note in it. I put that I think Diego and Mike will play soccer together yesterday. What did you say? Did you put the same thing or something else fun to do? Okay, we're going to talk about tigers now. You're going to tell me why you think it's important to protect tigers. Why do you think we should do that? Now, everybody might have their own answer of why you think it's important. There's no wrong answer. So we're going to start with I think again because it's our opinion. Capital I and then think. Do you remember how to spell it? That's right. T-H-I-N-K. Think. It. I-T. It is. Now let's try important. 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 I think it is important to protect tigers. Let's spell protect. Tigers. Because. Do you remember how to spell because? Let's try it together. B-E-C-A-U-S-E. Because. I think it is important to protect tigers because. Why? Why is it important to you that we protect tigers? Write your answer. Remember, spelling doesn't count, but don't forget your period at the end. And then draw and color a picture of a tiger there. Do your best, firsties. See you in the morning.